Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about T flip-flop or toggle flip-flop in electronics. So you can call this T flip-flop as toggle flip-flop. In all the types of flip-flop, we will be having one common input, that is clock. Whether it may be JK, whether it may be D flip-flop, SR flip-flop, in all types of flip-flop, we will be having clock as the common input. So here, while writing the block diagram, one input is T, that is toggle, and my another input is clock, which I will be representing using CLK. My two outputs will be, in all types of flip-flop, we will be having only two outputs, that will be Q and Q bar. You can use any variable to represent it, A bar, B bar, like that. So what is the main funda is, the outputs must be complement to each other. When QL is 0, another output must be equal to 1, that is complement of that output. If this value is equal to 1, Q bar value must be equal to 0. Only the complementary outputs are allowed in the flip-flop, same outputs are not allowed, that is 0, 0, 1, 1 is not allowed, only complement 0, 1, 1 zeros are allowed. Now let's move on to the circuit diagram. So you can draw the circuit diagram of the flip-flop using NAND gates or NOR gates. So let's design it using the NAND gate. First let's design the latches, then let's design the flip-flop. So what are my outputs? Q and Q bar. And output of one NAND gate will act as input to another, output of another will act as the input to another NAND gate. Now we design the latch. We want to design the flip-flop. So I will be adding another NAND gates in front of them. Now my only one input is toggle, that is T, because clock is common between all and its value will be always equal to 1. That is, it will be in the on state at every condition. So, while writing the truth table, I will be taking only T as my input and I will be ignoring clock because its value will always be equal to 1. Now, what will be the output? Output will be the present state output, that is Qn plus 1, which denotes the present state output. Since I am having only one input, that is T, what is the possible conditions? 0 and 1. That is the possible combinations are 0 and 1. When T is equal to 0, no input is given. T is equal to 0, no input is given. So you can write Qn, that is previous state output will act as the output here also. Previous state output will act as the output here. Qn represent previous state output. Now when T value will be equal to 1, previous state output will be complemented as the present state output. So previous state output will be complemented. If it is 0, it will be complemented to 1, and if it is 1, it will be complemented to 0. Now let's write the characteristic table. In this characteristic table, what will happen is one input, that is T, and previous state output, that is Qn, will be acting as the inputs, and present state output will be acting as the output itself. Here T and previous state output will be acting as the inputs. Since I am having two inputs right here, my combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So I already said when T value will be equal to 0, the output will be equal to Qn, that is previous state output itself. Here previous state output is 0 and 1 when T values are equal to 0. Just copy them. Next, when T value will be equal to 1, the output will be complement of the previous state outputs. That is, here 0 is there, I will be writing 1. Here 1 is there, I will be writing its complement, that is 0, when T value will be equal to 1. Now, the last step is writing the excitation table. Here in the excitation table, previous state output and present state output both will be acting as my inputs. That is, Qn and Qn plus 1 will be acting as my inputs and T will be my output. Since I am having two inputs, my possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. When Qn is 0 and Qn plus 1 is 0, my T value is 0. When Qn is 0 and Qn plus 1 is 1, Qn is 0, Qn plus 1 is 1, my T value is 1. When qn value is 1, when qn value is 1 and qn plus 1 value is 0, my t value is 1. When both qn and qn plus 1 both value is equal to 1, my t value is 0. So this completes the toggle flip-flop. So hope you understood the concept of toggle flip-flop. All other flip-flop video links are given in description. You can access it. So if you have any doubt regarding this topic, please do comment below. I will clarify it. If you liked the video, please do subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.